One other word before I go. One of my viewers asked me about cleaning a twist to open razor, how I go about doing that. Well, all I do is I remove the blade and then I go about just very, very gently drying out with a towel the inside of the razor head and the doors and the handle, wiping that all down. Then I pat the blade dry. I actually put it in a towel and I'll pat it dry. I won't rub it dry, I'll pat it dry. And then all I do then is, after everything is dry, I'll just put the blade back in the razor. If it's the first time I'm using it, I want to get a second shave for it. And then I leave the doors open. And then I just set that on my razor stand. This is my Admiral razor stand from Vikings Blade. I leave the doors open. I let that air out a little bit before I go to work or the office. Then I will close the doors, or I'll leave them open depending on if I remember to do that. But I let it give that little bit of air dry, and then I just sit it there. And then, I'll just go ahead and, close the doors. I got to hold that completely. It's got that anti-misalignment feature on it, so you got to hold it vertical for sure. I just put it on my razor stand, and then I go about my business. So, and another word about this: very, very maneuverable razor head. Nice heft and weight, very maneuverable razor head.